Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down again and localize build number. Right now all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back and enter the system settings. Here we have to enter developer options, scroll down and localize automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case this option is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off, so if it looks like it, simply tap on the switcher to activate this option. So from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, so you do not have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.